Welcome back to Blazing Sky. Johnny here. Sorry it's been a while, but I had to deal with 2 back-to-back flat tires. Finally got the 3rd one on, and we're ready to hit the streets. Ready to go for a ride here, but today we're also going to be doing a different kind of ride. Gonna be taking my girls horseback riding, so stick around and see what we got going on our 2-wheeled adventures, or 4-legged adventure. Alrighty, y'all. This is us. Sky's got the GoPro on her helmet. Mello's got her pinky 580 shirt on.
Hi.
And I've got the chest mount. Can't wait to see how this looks. Let's eat.
Yeah!
Yay.
Hello, is this thing on? It's on. Haha. Alright, there they are. They're waiting for me. We don't have mics hooked up, but it's okay.
Hopefully.
Let's eat.
E580.
Wheelie.
I'm up here. I'm up here. Hi. It sure is windy today, guys. It is super windy. It's wind, 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 wind. Pardon the squeaky brakes, guys.
We almost went sport mode with that cop in the parking lot. Good old Oklahoma wind. Wheelie Bridge. We should try to get down there. How do we go down there?
Here we go.
I think we could just squeeze right in. But it's hot right now, so there's no water right now. It was all dry. That's why I wanted to go down there.
I don't know if y'all getting this or whatever, but I don't know. The angle might be wrong. We'll see.
I think that's the thing I saw yesterday.
The grass.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you thought you saw an animal, it was something like that.
Yeah. And I saw like a big giant spider, but I didn't come towards me to bite me. I was just running away. Like a tumbleweed or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found a tumbleweed on the porch one day and I wanted to keep it as a little pet or something.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
I'm gonna go down the hill, meet y'all on the other side.
Okay.
There's this big hill right here. Just must go down. Y'all see this hill? Y'all see it? Did y'all see it? Where am I going? Where am I going? Right here? Alright, dropping down. Woohoo! Yeah, over in no time. Over in no time. And there they are.
My thumb is tired for some reason.
So is mine. You can rest your head.
Light's about to turn. If y'all don't remember from another video where I just did that jump, that's where I crashed. Whoa, rocky over there. Careful. Oh, there's Kid Zone.
That's a new playground.
Yeah, this is the one we're coming to.
What?
Yeah.
No, we weren't.
Uh-huh. You don't want to go to this one?
I want to go to the one that's
She wants to go to the new one by the prairie dog park.
Oh. You don't want to come to this one? Okay. Oh, I know. We can ride that sidewalk.
Oh, the new sidewalk?
Yeah. Turning at the light.
Sorry.
Turning at the light.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, green light.
We're going to Sonic, y'all. Which side is the shade on? Alright, we here at Sonic, y'all. I'm about to have some lunch and then back on the road. It's hot.
Who wants that?
Ready?
Yeah.
Love you, baby. Mwah.
Oh, lemonade. Good luck. She's saying she's hot.
It is hot. I need to go sport mode. How you doing up there?
I'm a bit nervous.
You're a bit nervous? Hi.
Jewel, Kennedy Ash, Riley Burris.
Hi, Mama.
Why you look scared? I know. She deserves all the post peppermint. Good boy. Good boy.